Ever wondered who is behind the innovative structures that redefine our skylines? It's the genius of minds like Prasanna Hiremath, a master of his craft, a man whose name is synonymous with structural excellence. Prasanna Hiremath's journey began with a bachelor's degree in civil engineering, a field known for its meticulous precision and complex problem-solving. His thirst for knowledge and an unwavering dedication then led him to master structural engineering. This journey was not just about acquiring degrees, but about gaining a deep understanding of the principles that govern the world of architecture. His qualifications alone, however, do not fully encapsulate his prowess. What truly sets Prasanna apart is his passion for innovation and his ability to transform visions into tangible realities. He does not merely build structures, he creates masterpieces that stand proud against the skyline. Prasanna Hiremath is not a lone wolf in his mission. He is backed by a team of experts, each a master in their respective fields. From design to execution, they work in perfect harmony, their collective expertise breathing life into each project they undertake. This team doesn't merely build structures, they redefine them. From residential buildings that feel like home to commercial structures that breathe functionality, they ensure each creation is a testament to their unwavering commitment to excellence. At the heart of it all is their innovative approach. They don't just follow trends, they set them. They don't just meet expectations, they exceed them. They are not just engineers, they are visionaries, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in structural engineering. In conclusion, Prasanna Hiremath, civil structural engineer, is not just about building structures. It's about building dreams. It's about transforming your vision into reality with confidence. So, when you think of innovative structures that proudly stand against the skyline, think of Prasanna Hiremath. His expertise, coupled with his team's dedication, is the force that turns architectural dreams into reality. Prasanna Hiremath, civil structural engineer, where expertise meets innovation.